endless possibilities.
Nkomo bodo Otodo oya do a son 17th August 2026. About a word that's papa wama at the chepe etumache. No see about na him. Na kwani biara do no. Ya ba mazi na feed nkra so some etumi da bra oya nazamba. Da ma so na yeze kase bon baba. Nkrata no mpesen baba kansa. Da ma so nkomo baba na ya hwede omanka na ya ko hinayim anada otum no otsiden. Nti ba mazara shane so da. Mezelezi OMAR bin ABDULLAH. Yes, as I see if you are him question some of the better no here papa de butana moya oze ahokeka oze yeje to daba entum na nkara refo atwe abra adwonsa be so oyo kotokum o send of the better no domipi na yitana moya sabi yetum ye na adwende a happy nya na buto ya afom nti yaza ebo mazina fi yetum ya kasa okra. You can't climb the ladder of success without your hands in your pocket. Into mfo atwe kra abra won se nya ihye okutokum na hwe oya atwe no so din nti ekone biara do no za ebutum aye ayinde erefo atwe a awoda etum som efitum nanto ejumeze etum rizi abraba etum ebo ahawa etum refom nkokohwe ase ereso erigina ho ni hina ne nkuhimiza abotira epeda wo se tumaka nti se abofo atworo nkotinza into mfo sanse se okotokum na abra etum na erefo atworo mo bedde ni biara no awode abale de eso atwonum afo akur ebie ebasa edusura na chede ehu de za albaye no so won bibiara etum na esimu ayede carpenter ayede mason ayede ejuma erko bi na ekokiti juma bibi etum erko no nkokohwe aso wom atwe na erfo no ebebre ebetiedo na so ikodu sura ibo na egwa home echede nkoyima botire no wotum na woza abbo wodeda nta atwe erfo no nsa wodi sokotokomedi nyaza abotum na wa abo akra abra etum na erfo oya atwe tibo mazinara na sama le pay question sama etum da ma wono no foto oye okoto dwenjim ansana yebako hene yim no kase ba etum ezebra wono no wotu amanfofo do of beto bro no se ka pasasa ode ba mazina fi pasasa amama oye anamotu ebisi wodan ebako yim no etum na aba the ma so na wasa etu yefude monkrata no ndimu na fi asana etum na akwa ekisi wodan MPP amayeku mimi nda baba so kono wato aba na asumpe fipi etum na akasa afa aya abato no ho wo hyase wo babu wie na ho na wotum na wozinkuhim pi nti ebekọ akohwe aya no misam na pinya ka ho na naso hiesa ka ofi ha na pi ezebebro yenda yi wose ba bi ye ba ebe kire ne mba be mi ha kire do.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
No so na wa kwa bebiem. Yes ka se bana aseza na kwa ka shasi efi oye Chief of Staff Abia Kosa TV to Nsafran no oye Nana Kujo Kra. But chechire same na kwa pa between afada ye ya asase won kata nkomobon chede kana fupi yetum na ejisu kwana efada yetum na ipa oya asase nkrata na na chire same dem sansa na ebitum na wosaka asase aneda wa asase na wodenya asase na bokosam ana oboto aboboa chechire same pi chire mi de na nanum bia yi wa wo oya asase nsase na wo oya bushempefo ana nsase na fi oya nuwa no ho ochire sema oso yi fim de bia ho pi mpeyefo a wa ye wa akodom ebiri fi ande mantom de ma suna ebiri fi oya boka mantom bunu mantom na pinjo keke ho aho na wa ye bushempefo wa ba bada nti abepe asasa huni de wa asasa na bokosam na ko jokra ade da mesame chioro
ansa no bi bekasa asase e mezen no wa bakwasem bia obeto ye fitete
okay
na abasama aba igwaya ya dakwa de na no obi anyo boto ne sesi ne bode igwaya asase marameza
okay
yele no mi na edum fi northern region emi fi ahanta emi fi sekendi emi impo fi eastern region obe share igwaya ntia no obe share igwaya bebi obe twawsa ekuduro no e no ye woza e no fe na adakro no na asase odanyen tie na nanu wa asase na ne ye hwedo ma wan yesi pinchan asase ona woda ma keke nti asase wura no na ebegwaya yes asase wura na ye busua mpanyimfo
okay
ohene bi enyi asase wogwai yemfa wentru yetirim ohene bi enyi asase wogwai okay asase wogwai na chise ebusua mpanyimfo wonsa te ebusua panyi bi oda adakro bi na anon se hu eho asase na edozi kan eco lands commission ne ko bisa surveyors wa lands commission there ikro we ya abakura ne ikro no obobo zinza akiro we biso de bushe pen me no da no wa bobo bushe pen zinza akiro da me zinza ne ba ko hwehwe ikro no de pen we ne me hwehwe ihu de pen na friends wa dwen mpo o pepa be ka oman anasa de ikro no no za to wanyim afi wa fa ne nkofo ba kwa kiro bi asase na sa ekoso ne kwa kira asase na ye kwa na asase oya woze akira asase na epe no ebushe pen na asase inde for licensed surveyor from Lands Commission and any of the institutions that were accredited by Lands Commission Service Department. The Lands Surveyor no wezi wechira kwa ebushepeni wo. Na ebushepeni na chere the exact boundary. Baby potia nimpa ne chere the ope. It will pick mo wia. Surveyor na be pillars bi wo even picks. No wa pick as our friend site plan. Or pick a site plan wa me to tumrike chieska wo. Ye nyen dem wo Ghana nsaseto emrenim
Damen semi na kujokra tumodutu oyehinayim Abia Kosa TV yenetwe nkomo wo oyedwumeza wa tuneze no woso kabi na yim chesem de ansa ni ho asase no rane oda efa oyempanyifo a wonyimzi waya asase no hye ho na otu anamo no kwaka peka asase no ni hunda asase no oyehono za ayabubuhye za ayaboye buhye za ana otumo hwero na rekoso a wankote menko na yibi nko
wo pick asase mo de efa asase side plan copy ni tumrika as a Lands Commission as your was a friend search say ekohwehwe mu de asase 1 onya abana asase 2 obi ntoya wa register 3 onya busua bi za manson wo de dem search ni with the search report no ba outer the moment na the report ni ba kan usika ho de ko hye busua pe ni biu ekoso wankote menko penimpe bien ana ebasa faka ho ekwa edebusope ni sikaze mana ebusope na do osan receipt a oye ebusua ni zin na odado se ehwe receipt na ebusua ne kraboa ana ne symbol onyi do a manje the receipt no oye frivolous the friends say aya akronoze na woto na ma te di receipt a oye ebusua na kraboa owodo ebusope na do osan no court receipt number no kira sa support ya eto emetron receipt no do na ezeko ebusua bi wo wa ahura nkasa wo ye nkrata nzema but emremu na ye ebusua no ye den ye nkrata emremu na so be ye na akofa no ono ye do bo won nkrata no dem nkrata wo friend indenture kwa ya baze oye document a ebusua na abakwasam ekwana ebusua no ba betwasa woje dem asase no opei na otwa dem san afia otwa dem san na asase tam no dodo na za aworo no dodo hon wo twere wo wi a as a friend agreement is a friend say enti ase pam bia awo na ebusua no wo boko there beka ebusua no ebusua so won recognize there this wo ebusua no but enka adese konkron a what na guado ho we na ewie no the next page no so o kire o pepa wo a wo to asase ebotum aye wo asase no do na ekwana Ghana mran so akekere nsasasam edegu nkrata da ede easy do afi the next page no wo friend side plan ya bad asase na ekotro na pote na ana wa pick wo friend bibi coordinates wo de egu side plan no na bearing ko nti paper no ko oyo ana wo po eto asase iwu na ekompo a wunchiri maba wo fa paper no pe so be ye bi ebotu ma kire one baby asase order na some side plan no be wonchiri mu miensa wo ho kanen na kan ya side plan tun ko register asase wo lands commission imprempren me no kase since 2004 intum enja asase na mfa side plan kwa lands commission there e ko register it is side plan na ebusuan ze ba ma ono e do ebusu pen no sign side plan na chi ebusu pen no sign in danger no offer das for bi no wo ye adesedom wo ebusuan no wo sansan wo wi a wo de nkrata na ba ma so ben wo da court or da license survey na wa sansan ni na wa stamp wo wi no wo de bra wa afi ebusuan wo wi wo adwuma da wo de wa sasam ko wo sisi pillars why we in danger wo da court wo za ma wo wi but oduru a inwe kura na afi na wo ato asasen afi na be kwa asasem iwi a most of ya wa ya za offer cadastral plan cadastral ya baze side plan na we yi wa asase port na wo chere ha na wa asasen da no mbe bebre no Ghana ha Cape Coast manso bebre da court o ye asasem manso oban den side plan bi wa enam se side plan no ye the register asase o ye yi no on chere the exact boundary and coordinates of the land. Timon will be the amount. The same moment, no be for to the same plot, no. Obi a different side plan, but the same land here can wasem. It's a lands commission painful, na Ghana memo painful, na lawyers in Kukujan, we share where them are. Yeah, for side plan and con register as you. You bear the cadastral plan. Cadastral is a planner will pick the exact coordinate of the land na e was paying watch on. No what's our woods no we initiate what that to do.
Nana Kojo Kra Chief of Staff Kunenyum Chechire Sim ta you want sase ezin ebasa you want sase odegwo ho you want sase oye busuaze you want sase oye abanazi ni nyina ya sase otum na udzu hodwuma na hyene so de ikutu sika dimo oye ebusuapei na ya ga na chere wa sase unse tuma aka anada on ye step 1 anada na mo kan etum na usaka awa sase nti ye hwa ya Ghana constitution ya 1992 okoti chechen kwana ofada itu anama anasa asmo dwuma otomozi odrem sem nyina tugwa abira wosu kebedwumedi anyene bonkomo
emrem dead na ekosi ebusua payim emman sika mo receipt na ownership bakono no
okay
that ownership na say you are recognized at lands commission
okay
kai on there lands commission was set in 1992 Ghana Constitution Article 252. No one more than 2 minutes there. What 2 Washingtons are so Ghana in another. Nansase, uma hodo basa. Ya wo ebusuan asase. Different family land. Ya wo egwa oda asase do, stool land. Na ya wo ABBAN na asase, vested land. The minister asase basa ina no. Lands Commission for na wo hwedo. It is said to asase fi ebusuan pay bi wo. Ana ko hini bi no hwede o ke obatona monoto no ma. Na ebusu pensions and grata no ma. E ho na wa asase nanso onzi mu eye cadastral e wa asase onzi mu ansa na asase bezi mu no chede e za asase na ko lands commission akọ register emma wa ja to grata for that ko no was e krope was a mama za befi na registration no my friend this they say e wa asase afi no e wa land title e wa title that the master asase no nti wanka se wuzin no da asase no e bu sheni zin na do biu dem mra na e wa asase
Tamen semi na pinyen na Kojo Kra Chief of Staff of the Oya Osaba Makosata tum no auditor ko na yim chechire nsem de sa wo search ni hina ma wa awode etumi to anama na efi etumi na ehye ne so so dem aba mazi na kisisi oye pillars wo ye bia wotumi na ho kira wonu ewie awode etumi to anama na efi inya oye draftman oye architect mo tum no odrow no amount ti akwana pa ba fada ebotumi na esi oye wodanen
se ekoto asase wo kire wasase wo sisi pillars wodo ma wo ye nkrata to quarter man kwesidan on kire de ebotumi sidan Ghana amrewa ha amrewa ne kire de after processing na register wasase mpo ewie wo lands commission na e won krata o kire de asase missing on the so title no indru baby e dey sign ko a draftman e ho na architect wo na wadwene pa e pede disidan no e de koto n'anyim na draftman be kruchini na egu nkrata do obeye plan ahodo ebasa no afro de brabehwe plan ebasa henze na ehwa of fit wood dream na wale choose mepe you choose we are afina architect no better na so the measurement because was as be na one plot 100 by 80 what do funny na sidan into bo crunch in such a way ubenya car park ubenya ekwan kakra dada na wina atwehia ama accident bi ba etumetumika eduana afọ ho we are what wood dream na egu asase no we are na wi no onwie or be ko engineer o sensan yenka atai no ho the building engineer was sign before building engineer no be sign no one osha iron rod be use two blocks be use three lights are wires are be your lighting system four pipes are the be your plumbing work five assassinate texture so yensu so ya abo so ya hwem the engineer no we friend civil engineer ohuni na the ohuni na answer wa assign building drawing and say okay e have to process ko municipal hanna ya ngofo nsasa engineer sign we are ono jede kwesi udan still we e be ko metro engineers force or municipal ho engineers a wogu a civil engineer or quantity engineer in fact adan ho engineers in ho na wogu te be go through process in fact since you remember ma about what the master no as the building drawing ko watch 2 weeks on that building drawing approved inti what the building drawing na engineers be fa wo wachi wa track as a plan na that we building drawing no no what the akwasase do akwere de ha na asase da mpa no wo wi a wa hwe town comments asase no da abanim o da obi na asase ana the chrome ana the baby obeye project bi o wa ya na wi ansa na so about office no about be sign what's in wi a na fe wo registered document building drawing na municipal amon kwande itumi sidan do question afin me you know municipal no ma kwande sidan onye lands commission onye surveyor onye ebusuepe ngofo be wa dwen onde ebusuepe mu asase pe dey sidan debi say sha president Mahama ban ansen hwa ze orisi bebi ensufa ngofo sidan ho bebi wa locate as swamp area to say Cape Coast if you Cape Coast airport na etra dua krope one side right way na swamp area e ho ye sidan ho ye hwe ho wo mansunu kwan mansunu sutum ozina agora nse kwese dan bebi de mi a engineer bi na obesan sisi na metropolitan assembly bi na mo permit nti nchede aza ye ho na enyin krata wo even do I register what I say why ye nti esidan na obubu atu egu abana bi ozi mra pepe no obubu atu egu na abani nti kwa so na woma burden first documents and our permit say kwesidan municipal na say de o hwe nim ama aban it's an ukro no oye the chief executive officer ono de kro na no bibia be okro municipal mayor no ono da no nti say edge permit no obi ko buda na itumo kokwaje woda na kai boy na na sase na twin na usika wa aba no abanze wazi ma nti anje permit dia obugu free obi antua okawo nti say ayo registration na wie in fact mmramran kai kwaye permit a the registered document ba kon photocopy beka obeden drawing no wo search report na town comment odi na beka ho let's call metropolitan assembly no assembly na say obe access ni na sana wa sign permit na ma do sign ma wa genuinely aye emrakwan bibi eda ye bi aye wi to badamza isu na ni obi enya asem e ho na friend dey itumi sidan Darin Sani na pinyo ka kan ana ne nokojo kra all chief of staff
Autumn na Bakanso, what's a kibid meji do Autumn Tuga? Yakwe Mika MPP Anayako, Ghana Nefana Hinara, or 2 about 16 rating, will you Ayabana to farm? Of Red to be one mother if you were to know about my parting, or to me or Janado. Fifilmantum, or he are quite Fifilmantum should be called the papa. The young share Abira, Nquimzina, Ba, Nquimzabo Trahoa, what to know to Abama Honum. Now, where do you want to know in some automosi?
Lift it up. So we'll do the official oath first, then after we'll do the oath of secrecy. Please repeat after me. I, having been elected as of the new patriotic party, do in the name of the Almighty God swear and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and diligence in the new patriotic party. I further solemnly swear that I shall faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and to uphold, preserve, and protect and defend the MPP Constitution as by law established. I do also swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as may be required for the discharge of my official duties, or as may be specially permitted by law. And that should I at any time break this oath of office, I shall submit myself to the dictates of the new patriotic party's constitution and suffer the penalty therein. So help me God.
Dame oye ishishei na yidmede pi na otumo kodo wa bra regional election MPP woto abene hina wo ye mankesim dwumedin no mono na oye opere na ozo nkuhim asogomtreyi mecha regional chairman abra incumbent otegwarondon otum no oyi ne hwe no opere Joseph Sibu oya prof kanizino ho da futum ma ayo executive members hina de abatu na ewie nkunyimze na etumi na aba edwumazem na ekoye nkebom odo ama party na etumi ejane na adwen na woda otumo ye za wotumo kwan de 2028 obo mazina fi wasan abatina aya aban kaseredo
our fire yet the yabiase for his guidance in the grace odabene na yakade we are for unity. All those who contested with us, they should know that contest is over. So we want to start to work from today. That's fair. More be able to. Now we are ready to take the bottle to NDC. Come 2028, with my new executive, we shall win the bottle. MPP will win in Central Region. We shall increase the seats in Central Region. Meda BDRC, Meda Obia Obey, Election Committee, Yedamase. Police, men, security, Obia Obey, Yedamase. Thank you so much. It's been a wonderful day. And my friend Percy, thank you for this contest. I wish you all the best, but we shall work together so that we win victory. Yada imiase, Obia under Yamiase, because
Tamin semine pinyoka ka ho anena oya ogomtreya otumno ozonku himnunum aba mazana fi otumno ozotugwa sira oya sam trofa oba bi shem dwumedina ase ye kwa abato no sunso no kakra incumbent oya PC Dennis nya 161 na incumbent wontumno onzenku yim nti professor ana Dr. Joseph Esibu onye 278 ana otumodidi oya nkuyimnunum ye kwa oya vice chair KK Bonzi oye 167 na zotumoze nkuyemi ya oye honorable Kojoham oye 271 ana otumoze nkuyemi obaye oye the first vice chair yeko oye the second vice chair oye Omia Bethi Ajuwa Kechechua oye 97 Meshak Kweku Amwa oye 220 ana no otumoze nkuyemi ma waba baye the second vice of Central Region MPP. Yeko secretary churchill administrator of the oye party nano and the executive nana. Incumbent oye Techi Mesa onye 283. 283 each day Techi na wakaka dosu osene anuna bonye nipon or dosu sin oye gomtrain Techi oye incumbent no osen onya oye tumunu ma otumunu alutsedo Assistant Secretary Onia Eunice Donko onye 178 incumbent Charles Odum onye 257 otumodizi oye nkuyim organizer incumbent Anthony Saki zinkuyim ye 333 nto organizer obujumapa nto osan ozinkuyim ma oye Anthony Apia yes 72 Treasurer Mustafa Muhammad yeah 196 incumbent Otseganodo Francis Asari only incumbent Zinkuyim yeah 244 Motumno Zinkuyim youth organizer Loris Siang onye 131 the man oye Otsu Apia oye 189 ano no watum na wazu koyim na pinyoka ka wa nti yechede MPP amayo ko finfirmanto no watum na weya aya honim panyifo jubazin no mono no na minority leader aya the king of the minority honorable Afayamakin Osahinen da futu zema wato wori ni hira chirede aya busia no munsam.
What I can say is that so far so good. A very peaceful atmosphere. Candidates are campaigning, aspirants are campaigning. It's a family affair, no violence, mutual respect. That is the beauty of it. And people are harvesting their votes. And may the most hardworking person carry the day. Thank you very much.
Hope and progress everywhere we go. Everywhere we go. NPP, Yenina Bekat. Yenina Bekat. NPP there for you. Obiansa.
Damin semi ne pinyaka ka hu na aye Osanyene Afoye Markins, Tumno Odo Tsugwa. Yekune ma Franka Chinyozima Oya MPP Amayekunu, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Sushia, Oya Mpanyinfa Awozi Nkoyimunu, Oya Managana Nambia BP. Not wonderful. There, Yaya Bushako, Abato Nimbedu, Yato Abevi, Ejumazino Oho, into Omobiara Ayuko.
This is a very great day. We have the newly elected Greater Accra Regional Executive, led by the chairman, Okoboy, Dr. Okoboy. Let me congratulate you all, and also congratulate the constituency chairman who are here. We've all fought a solid battle, and you've been here. I know Dr. Okoboy very, very well. We are very good friends. He's a good man. He's unified. And he's very humble, if you know him. And I believe that he is going to really bring us a lot of seats in Greater Accra. The goal for all of us, is to win the 2028 election. This is just a stepping stone towards winning 2028. As a party, we have been engaged in an exercise of reorganization. We've had our polling station elections, we have our electoral area, we've had our constituency, we've now had our regional elections, and we will culminate that process on October 3rd with the national elections. And therefore, at the end of that, the party will be in a good position to have that vehicle that drives us to victory in 2028. So there's a lot of work ahead of us, and we are going to do that work in unity. If we are united, I'm telling you, we will win 2028. That is the key ingredient for victory. It's unity. And that is what I want to really plead, that this election is over. You've had competitors. Let us come together. And I believe in what Dr. Okoboy has said, that he would do everything to bring everybody and use everybody's talents. Because if we keep our talents, at home or in the cupboard, it doesn't help the party. We want to use everybody's talents to get victory for the party, and I want to emphasize that. I am open to work with everybody. As Okoboy says, you guys have used my name a lot. But thankfully the name is not yet finished. We'll go for national, we'll still use it. But that is fine. That is very fine. We just thank God for this party. I think that Okoboy said earlier that you are all going to do my bidding. I'm doing the party's bidding. So we are really all doing the party's bidding. The party has elected all of us to win power in 2028. And we are really going to commit ourselves to doing exactly that. I can assure you of maximum cooperation as we go forward. All of you know me pretty well, and I want to work directly with each and every one of you. You find access to me easy, unless you don't have my number. If you send me a WhatsApp, even at 3 a.m., I'm likely to respond. Isn't that it? Yes. Yeah, I will respond to you. You are major executives of the party, and I will respond to you at any time of the day or night that I have access to my phone, that I can respond to you. If there's anything that you think you need to bring to my attention, you bring it to my attention immediately. Maybe Prophetess Naomi, if you have a prayer to give to me, you can also give to me at any time. So feel free. One of the things about MPP which I'm always so proud of, is that our delegates don't make mistakes in electing people. They don't make mistakes. They are very discerning. They don't make mistakes in electing our executives. So whatever they decide, it's usually the right decision. And we are interested in winning power, and our delegates have given us the best people to win the power in 2028. So let's work together. I thank you so much for coming here. You are the first of all the regions to come, and it's right.
When you are coming to Accra, you have to ask permission.
Yeah, exactly.
Boss.
So I'm very, very happy that you have done so. I've seen Jeff Kasim is coming also. Welcome. Yeah. So congratulations. May God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
Rami Semi na Franca Tui Ozema, the new patriotic party, the big opposition party in Ghana, the former vice president of Ghana, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Afuta Ozema, executive Bilma Wotuma to Abetumi Eyin, into Inquim no Wotumo, ye etimina kam no Wotumina Wasa. Jo, aha, na easy oya ni son Keseboni here, EDBC. Ye die in Yaba. Ye banka 10% na pinye ne tuma aka no no e de botio.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo bibia kokose, se fuel tank enya kwenshia, ne dania, menko ho nkwaye wadwen se, okosisa petrol anafango no. Ena finso, menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenshia ne ho, akwa kodwitwa videos, ana pictures. Na petrol anafango wo hwenso, uhua ko wumu a, enye sunsu asobone, ewo wapomeden semso. Fango nso, eho ahometinti no. Enfomso akitu ebi, ebetumi ameja tom, ama na gise wom. Eba ne saa, nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je dwumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoyi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboyi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Lord Jesus, oh Lord Jesus, the King of Glory. My answer is yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whatever you say, dependable God. Oh, Gigi, them sitting in syndrome. Have your way, have your way. My champion defender, my hope is in you, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, the King of Glory. My answer is yes, sir. Yes, sir. Forever the same, unchangeable. Yes, sir. Oh God. Oh, Gigi, them sitting in syndrome. Have your way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my champion defender, my hope is in you, sir. Yes,
doing me, he cannot save me. I'm tired of hustling and struggling in the midst of your plenty. Oh.
So here I am in total surrender. Use my life like one of your many wonders, Lord.
Make me a sign to my generation. Make my life a story of your grace. The King of Glory, my answer is yes, sir.
Yes,
hey, whatever you say, dependable God. Oh,
yes,
oh, Gigi, that is in you. Have your way.
yes, sir.
My champion defender, my hope is in you, sir.
Yes,
Hey, the King of Glory, my answer is yes. speak of your restoration. I say ever speaks of your glory and the earth of your beauty. Your love is new every morning, and your faithfulness is never shown. For you are the great and mighty God, so greatly to be praised. Your beautiful for situation. You are the joy of the whole world. For you are the great and mighty God, so greatly to be praised. Your beautiful for situation.
responsibilities. Say fight this kind of corruption. Even though we have other corrupt agencies, and I say almost fight with, but the bigger picture is the citizens. They say to me, one shame. I am with the fight of this corruption and the canker. We say higher, and indeed we cannot do anything. As much as in the prayer program, I was urged, and I even expected say, you come back, we should be change agents. I am fighting, educate. The education is more important. Now, your name and shame. And with this, I think we can do something. to make sure that at least we're minimizing to the lowest level. So it's the enforcement agencies, you know. And when it comes to this corruption substance, I want to find out my way. Then that enforcement is to start from there. Now into the enforcement, then you fish them out publicly. So that's what we say. Nipa we na kwesa ade so why this corrupt practices ya che no no ni a and the very time of that. Na ban say bia na ye de omo esie ya manfo na ehu omo hwe na say we are then obi so we say I'm so going to do. We are all doing it. But if that name and shame no about publicly na ama stroke akra about system no. Yeah, so the enforcement agency being the YOCO, the Ghana Police, STRAJ and other bodies should make sure say on officials who are doing it and stiffer punishments to be given to them publicly.
Right, yes, I hear you, Yaba. Na, and that's it. Is the BBC is the kind of year and cut and person so between Abba. Here, Director Abba Cancer, or your Cape Coast made through NCCE Director Abba Cancer. Yes, the Panaba Sonokon will turn more judgments be. When you Transparency International to me, na Nakasini na ye Ayakata Shisha, Nazamepi, Yan Etumna Sabi, Etumna Adokroyen. Sabi my from marketing, Katimpo. O the baby fie na tanya say it me shall say na fie to me so no so from that na no 2 cedi na no monko so for 2 cedi na monko na chere o shall say o sonaran na wa shall so agi bribe nketenkete o ye payin na wa agi bribe payin o ye okone yima we wi a wa agi bribe akasa nti ye momoden so no so there ansa na da makata hye no nsama wor kan yero ko yerban obabazin me jizire awda yina ye hina afamizi o ye hina hina sadi da kata hye na sabi idibe be de project me zika hono o da ebo modern fitu me twa no mo nazima pi wa ye dwom mpanyfo wa ya kasafo sabi ibinu wo ba ba sha wona asen ti se discover na fie otum no ba nsisi me na za oba ba de yi zene pan de nkankan misafo mba wo fu hono dwom afoforo no ana na wotum na woda ahyan so wotum do tum ho the sabi and physical baza na no order using kitahu so be there na mai wo Ghana ha pi manazima pi nyen wo ho tochima yin abakara na etuma brazil kakra ontum wonfo na sisi akata hye no nsam no so otum no origin hi chere order yin na yebo mazin na fi na afemizi nti wo hene director ha operating Joseph ABBAN NCCE paying power down over mainstream. That's a good morning.
Good morning.
Upon me, yes.
Oh, I don't actually announce it.
I mean, I do. That's you share Katashi say no man semi. Now, son, and you share it meant to them and the muscle today.
Oh, I don't remember them there. Be a boko. The young one can share me, be as a young for me. And I share a abandoned beyond which ankle. The ultra de bianso, yes, you have to enjoy there. Or the Democrat taxpayers' money non conquerqua. The Akrakagum, Jericho, obey ye.
The answer is obey ye, alphabet to burn, or what to a show home crane. Home crane, which are a version of Butcher or Bobo. The day also I are catering in there, and you know to me it's a honor. You can ABBAN and far Akaza to Mamba. What's there to me one our day to me the tournament? Nefi etumne ekoyim. Yaza wade etumne ejan the mara. Nefi etumne trodo. ABBAN on far and a motumbe. ABBAN on for the mazimbe. ABBAN on for the mazimbe. ABBAN na tere one walkra. Wadra ye can or kata sise no mun 77. That's a you should NCCE. Unujumezi where corruption in whom Abazi no to no or hot to tournament if you ma domestic effort.
You made us see you can Miss Minchiona in charity for Uti and Asha for our train. On a boy for born and a pay and the management, the 1 million at the Macquarie, the NCCE, and that we fricassee do now. Church, of course, one of our mandates to create awareness, civic education. Now, your church, I'm for when was said all the way. na yɛtwe aban so na adwene gyina na sɛ dɛ ɔdɛ ɔyɛ no. It is an opportunity for us to be here this morning. Them I catch the BIA co-star, part of the family. And they be our to serve that. We be here then can be no then can be banana education common. And civic education is a shared responsibility. You are doing your part as a media house, and they be out to serve what different. Sometimes I na when you can be BIA hanum, but any man could be onto it, but you will make sure that. You better ya be free. I bet you. I share our mandate now. We should make democracy work. I share our mandate now. Or they have 1 year strengthening your democracy. And now the weaken Ghana's democracy is corruption. It is a share or ya member and the preamble of the constitution. Making can in here, but I'm making can be big across it in the spirit of friendship and peace with all people of the world. In solemn declaration and affirmation of our commitments, freedom, justice, probity, and accountability. These are the 4 core, and I said the foundation of our democracy. Freedom, founding, justice, probity, and accountability. Yeah, these are the 4 main foundation of our democracy. It is a called FIMPE. Either is done as pillars. So we know what will happen. Indeed, there is the need for us to make sure the young freedom. Yes, Echo chapter 5 of the Constitution talks about fundamental human rights, the freedom na the honor, justice, probity, and accountability. In the demand and number say you him as a country. In the in discussion in here probity and accountability. Our corruption is here. We father on year no and the honor work. It is a corruption. Of course, on the corruption no what be did him of course or started or bra so okay the Adam uncle share or didn't never share that means na nipa wabona sase wabonipa na corruption one fan kan ye ho onka yankopon hihye ho na yankasa nipa e dia kan yankopon hihye ho so is it a problem into one am there ohia nintin on there your other agencies other governance institutions are unia wababa kan ho a wo hwema corruption no ka yetum na yaye ibi wo ho and one of this governance institution has to do with National Commission for Civic Education. Your Yoko Honum, your police service honum, your Shraj and other institutions are and NGOs are washing our. And this tells our fast the corruption or ada wababet na yen to yen yamakesi biawo and NCCE yedi akuti mupapa in the year na ya strengthen yen democracy because democracy say democracy best strength be make a vibrant society into corruption in film. We are doing our best as an institution. We are doing our best as an organization, and we are not far from it. I assure them now my so NCCE we have the mind. Then I assure them na ya share na ya reset ya dream. The man ya bread. In film. But ya said you tafache. I na yenya no said you na ya dia film. The my introduction a kind. Why am I from police upon why you put your free. But I think we should also always make sure that between your bread asima from kakra or the mayor.
That's what I say. I came out of the partnership with other institutions abroad. The Pena Basolokon or NCCE, Transparent International Dichuma. Hunajumezi was in line with the NCCE, and the NCCE and the more to also the same thing with Antona collaborate to me.
Yeah, we are not far from collaboration when it comes to Transparency International or Jumekubia. One branches in Dawson, Kasawa Manani. Now they are into corruption, good governance. They are good governance. I member papa. On they say, I can't remember corruption, no being pet, now member we weaken. Yen democracy we weaken. And see, wash there, up and the Madia, obey Shena, ye young ye defim. And NCCE is also into making sure say you are strengthening governance institutions, a governance process. NCCE you should be strengthen yabua mama for civic minded. Inti bibi ho no ma sabi utafache se nipa no ye na obema yen kabemem kebi wakwechiri yen fa ho di wakwechira. This is NCCE. Inti we are not far, we are collaborating these two institutions or collaboration say yebebua ma enemi bi all kodo yen dwumem enemi bi we all kowo yen importim and the baby wherever you find one or two persons bian yebehwe nanka kwabo from mode abe ntino oye collaboration bi these institutions in we aka yen ho aboma yereboa. We are not far from each other.
That's a young doma what to transfer from yeah baby say her name na corruption and no man some doors. Doma what to transfer from a jizi there say in some trophies in and careful with my beno. As some now okay, as some to me chichon, or 200 and did you say we don't know that yajma.
What's the mama Makai, Makai, a constitution review, commission or ban a bonde wono. The idea was that Obe at that key stakeholders. Now, what church on Kwana Ebe Fada, Ebe review your constitution. I think we had about 250. Now, in one of the discussions, it was Star Station. I said, no, the idea was that there were Ghana 32 or 35 population. Therefore, we understand the young queen was in stadium. Now, it could be a question. Now, your question may be your friend if I 250 beer. But I say, young queen, young phobia. Until you pay one stadium be. Now, be the candidate will be or no, actually, Casimo or do be a casa. Someone say, you can be a depa by 32 million. Will be a casa, that put it, baby. The program no participation quiet there. Some make a dorsal into Yanshana Kubia, Mukakra, in Kakra. Until the medium feed there obey, GNS obey. Actually, you have two inside the fries and members. Two for the fair or the pound for hairdressers. Education by intimate a Jumekubia or a keep Kusian, your 2 young son for Frank Cranka. Then mobiles walk with Chira and I walk with Chira. Also, one man for him, but share this idea. So, we feel the size of the population you're from is not bad anyway. But then, what kind of they are hospital? Now, Dr. Wabu will do them. No, nearby a DB corner. You are not at the hospital. One shock up on wire west. Intino, it is expected then ka walkway or Nichra. One man for ya, when you can ban one over. Intino, feel that the size is okay.
That's a number of horrors in here. Now, Abakade, you may say to me, isn't I don't know what I pay for a before for now over some whichever. Feedback, the sender and the feedback, since I already share, if you know, are very, very important. Don't want to know about assembly members. Are you sure the assembly members, even if they are not going to summon the community, entire community, we have public addresses in the community. Eka safa hon, ebi ho imizibi ho, and the bi ho beti bibi. Are they doing it? Market leaders still now they have public address system there. Are they doing it? Nanoma ye ta to from. That's a jumezibi ho to suffer nanoma. No, what are very, very, very careful because I'm sure here. Baby, me no law obo fofo ka wotu mu aba BBC or me there or your responsibility there as a leader na abaya na nya himfu hia so wotu mu yeduma wo de baby na wo there TNT bitu kodo onyi ho a na netumu ayensa all these things how to mo media say mo be tell biara no e bobo asam de wori to da chida ayo de mo wotu mu nka fo wotu mu aka enjeje de media wo there san hechi if you feedbacks after any program
me no ya adwen no ya papa ye ma wa wonu am bia so even some of them also part of the program we kind the media engagement one of NCCE na your friend media obisa question fine ya cheche fine the next day because show do me kwai the question I never said obisa the chero na so say she na say ba ba na ka say the Bible about how no say better fetch or better man or something. We have a system whereby we do any pan beba, but your point ade nan kasa na obi so nan kasa wato nsum nti wato nsum na nua nso bi se dan we nyi bi no de nti the feedback is very necessary on ye inkoten or the system ma be feed the ye nia yo ma ye nhwe nti ebehwe ye mi fa dem galamsey isu mbembe shem menem nyanko bi kedi nkomo hwe an galamsey no ko akra abi galamsey wo ye nkrase wo ko galamsey no akra wo ye workshop abodai na hotel na kasa wo ye na kasa masa wo hwe nipa no na nsa wakwawe bala galamsey na kasa wo ye wo nkrase nti adina wo ye wo nkrase na wo tena ka ne bale nti no the feedback dem American wo ye papa ye in most of the cases ne ho there ehwe ana how there yankasa adin wa dokroyen and then broni no bebe ye you yankasa na ye cause the problem no na yintumi ye hwe nti broni this can feel crew the tax no den call the ye or ye ni money ye no o the feel crew no the aba nti no bounce measures down o mintu me first be brain fam bro na scan na merebo na bia 1 cedi no ho dom ni na hwe na fa ye program no nti ebi wono mo ba nankasa onankasa sika nankasa o de banankasa ihye wo ho fa ebi media fode fe de the pan eba bechna de crop of course ebi obanum nsu ebi abakomodam nti je dubande de fe nti onankasa wa ni calculation wa ni bibia ni budget ni bia no de ado a entumi yam hwe ana yankasa ya course no yankasa o de nya no nti or the measures or the account nti the feedback is very necessary nti sometimes no ya program ebe ko na beti amafo o minti ni panankasa na obaye nankasa ofi dwuma mu ho na obaye nankasa na friend ofi NCCE ya ebe o the staff nankasa no asem no waka no krapo no se Peter Fashion Tishwe but the idea is that in kebe friend the pan call ya no so only amafo ono akokoche nti I strongly believe with you that in as much as you know ndeke you but ebe full up other stations one community information centers one eco market kotokraba day abra mi share that me we me share that me di macro from for no but eco kotokraba information system one ma me feed den kai or the yako hono na church ye full up na yako church one thing the feedback is very necessary in every organization every institution bia and every communication bia no or there na feedback them about if you pay ye no or ye ma ye nankasana then there should be a follow up you take feedback and you juma.
As we mention of human rights, corruption, good governance, civic mandate. So you share human rights now. Right, we know, but are we doing the right thing in terms of we don't understand that you to me, Yana?
I would say you share human rights. I share Amemumbrana chapter 5 and talks about human rights. Now in all the 26 chapters, no dosu power. Chapter 5 na ka human rights. We bring all the chapters on chapters or dosu power. That's the idea. And we should consider that more be so funny sa enka dem oye chapter. Chide be your friend. And then we no ma o shaban kete de odobon ban. O she juma fokete de odobon ban. O shawa eda ejum kofa no anabana no do de e hwe na e de ejuma na ebon ban. I share human rights in Ankasando Yekana. I share the concept now. It's about living together for others to live. It is a memoir, may Panodini, we create environment to be the Bamohon. Now, me too may living within the environment. Until we create the environment, the next person, our year, is subordinate, should also enjoy that ANA may creating. Create a very good environment to be opportunity for me. Now, be living. I will be a how imagine my metema say mammy me be no come back. The environment and me create them here panodino. That person or make you know. That person or me by me or me uncle or ye me. That person ultimate patrimono should also be able to enjoy the same thing now we creating. Into I had me feel there knowing here papa, even with regard to yen democracy you're creating. If I'm a person panodina. I should create a culture beer or my mankasa as a citizen. Me too na mabua my democracy why vibrant. I should make a last minute so be kasa during the elections. Do the congress and a bit do na no president be at the now where I know for inte. Between a ginger me video there. Yente in America Erican. Yente na Erica na today and mom mudon e to da ko ho na fi de nya bambo bi de yewe elbow bi no ban aso aka de jo ma me ofie aso aka de na e jo na obi okruma aso aka de elba pot apart from don na oba na o yere wo ofia onua no wo ofia aso be mbambo na de ama so why don't you create a culture bia bibia bi to wa no money de sibia no create peace bibia be copia there is cohesion bibia ko bi so e be copia na so bi so that ona na bi no we crossing obebi no wo fie and the month a preach the mayor no pia enjoy so of course the madi ya dia fi de no here we all try to make sure that yetum na ye kan ye ho abom na avoid juma
no here dama hello da wa to America no nti can we say now you are all good governance you show your corruption sisia so ra no tomorrow
ese yetum ya den
ye hu de good governance na yetum ye ye no
yendu honum ehwe article 41 or talks about duties of a citizen no can remember brave intinu say awo entum na anye wafem di as a citizen am so entum ma ya medi as a citizen na nipa na ye di tum ye di ahye wonsa for na di tum o di ahye wonsa be the unit committee the assembly member, the mayor, the politicians, either the ministers, and the president or them. Them coffee, them key actors, Sanipa call when to my juma into democracy election, good governance election, into the embryo. For now, no, Mempere make a day, ye was say, and you do honum cry, in a crankakra, Yeroko yenim, you be do honum. Why that going to ya kokumasi obi okofo bia fosu honum yamansa fosu ode akọ obi so fi do mi nkofa akra am fonko obi awo ni but the motive or the destination may be a record now what's what are you so na why na since of course if you pedi ekudu honum ya me be ke dia bo Malaysia ya bo US ya bo wana wonde ni podo starting kakra or bofom na or sort or bofom na or sort ye pedi egu hono ma kakra obia na family bi o ye bia I strongly believe that we can make it on kechi between the one
on kechi ya oyo school believe na wa bra na sisi adoni ho enti damina sameto bi ya papa da yetum no na don't opinion abakade the civic mandate or the yetum nya it's not there. If you encounter nature, you when you count the total number of Asaramba, Ufifi, whatever, you will count the same number of Bible people are holding. Whereas if you impart 30, walk asa, you Bible 30. In the impart 30, walk asa, you Bible 3. So that yeah, some corner for that. Or two more quarter Bible, or two more the what are the civic mandate it will be? You say that you show the key chapter, the code of conduct. Chapter 24, articles 284 to 288. Okay, so maybe 2 million automatic form. In article 284, the conflict of interest. A public officer shall not put himself in a position where his personal interest conflict or is likely to conflict with the performance of the functions of his office. That are we sure we are doing this? Yeah. It's really you, and then the second your name.
Barbara Samiakina. I say, Moko, I mean, to make a massive. And I miss a food do not soon get this year by Jay-Z was one for Babonco. I like I will go or move fondo. Now, phone and Cassati chat with them on what's up TikTok. What's out there? Or to go all your Snapchat or to show them what I said. No other suffer. The preaching age. Because in no, but I am there. I get see a call chapel now. Or tell him so. Na suffer preaching na sana one video ya baby na or CCTV camera on nti why you ni anacha dey capture na them films ya baby na no ye nti dodo na but actually the conduct I dey bia make the yenjan yenananom hihye bia wo de baby how ye
very important
nti yehwe family values nansi as nansi sem na de ni aye jaika won cheche biom first mamu come kro agwanya kro recently na the indiscipline bia wa ba oye yitin ko bia o se wodu kuda won ko him nanso kuda pa na mafota ko him nti no why concern buta bi de chintina ma na nan mo de bay buta kesi pa na fi the those this boy this yan ya funi ni ada oye akik no hia o ko da asa buta fa bibi na oye we bana ni sentry bi wo hono nti ya share the framers of the constitution no what transcend omu de no hia to de oye dem oye chapter 24 code of conduct for public officers whatever on guardian Joshua also a public officer shall not put himself in a position where his personal interest conflicts or is likely to conflict with the performance of a function of his office. Inti how meanfa being home as a public officer NCCE meanfa yeduma. Your code of conduct as a public officer as a NCCE. Inti one say merefa obi we dwuma ma. If there's a vacancy, me konko fa me ba me fe me sha no. Me konko fa me nu bi me fa me sha no. Ana say with a friend say merefa people for outsider. Me nja me tum do the me begin. Me nja me tum the akondo de omun. Me de pa na ba sha no. Sentry there. Obande na me de me be sha no. Oye adiboni bia menjin de mitu maka de mo de meka se me feni pa na se ni nyankita ho bi a menjin de mitu menya oye amoten cause ni pa nsa beto kwana the mind kwana me father me di fa ni pa no adwuma mo no that's the implication ono so nchire de se ni pa no qualifier mutum kofan baba pe de meka de procedures wo hono this a mere family baby people we dwuma or dem me fa the procedure na what they to honom the order apply or interview the mo kwanu dunia order offer do in this a me fan people we honoma onam dem ni fifi onam dem me oye mebusuani po asome ntum ma bia won fa ne ko bibi fura it's in painful year dem obey ya that conflict that interest in obi fi honom ba ayana otawo bibre e won den tinipa wo man contracting or the man party member inti be na so chupa na se wontu man ya de na bodaba man I set up a committee tender ewa inti de bia meka de e ba ne Ghana pa ye ka dem mra de won hihye mra we are perfect but yendi mra no don is another thing altogether. Inti maybe no na make search ba assembly or be a forgiveness. Inti am there me sign a check me dia ma obi bi nti no akra we hu dada. We hu sika medre ma or your system. Inti we hu. Na so still among for fa hu was someone. Inti system no jo honum. What should this conduct wo honum there? Say me fa me ye bibi as being a director. As being a mami ma on conflict with Ejuma na Mayen. She said that Ejuma no be PB as a NCCE director. Ejuma no be as a metro director of electoral commission, as a metro director of education, as a metro director of health services, as a mayor, as an MP. It's a mayor more on conflict with Ejuma na Mayen. She said what they are to one minute. Inti aya yet to see the brave what them no, but me there is time. Or there yeshe na yebuama ye democracy na ye kan between the waiting team
1992 constitution by na actual pa say ebuwa yawana actual you try to know yako or 2A6 what's in declare asset in pay for the bia okutahun in brainful atimorpho wo shambra wo zimbra mbra shebegofie wana wotumo ho wo shambra wo zimbra Obi are you tomorrow? Are we doing it yeye no mba abanu anayeye kra and still now even Mr. Amaka he dey sinampo 1000 asana sometimes current president abel no sijan declare asset the man okay or the deadline here to do but still now yentefi wozoko another one franco it seems that they are not setting good examples some of them and instead as in yentu yense sankwana
Oma me da se onye dey bia 1 euro oye listen to kakra wo hono bale wa ma amanfododo na bia ye kasa na ye feel the 1 year is sad that one from Betuka
yeah
ona dey am feel the today corruption ya baby I can name and shame bi impose bi impode ya njom enso name and shame ni padodo wa hen na eche wona ye name won na ye shame won nti bonwa de hye sumase o yaye o yenye yaye we nti ono ma na wo push impanyfo na o se de me pay ye tre no any pay gis ke bi feeling them but we are not the scan e be waju no let us know the person and amana wo tui so that amanfo why there will be bia na wo pepe de obi pa obi suru kakra or baby nti them asset declaration in fact why but the enforcement no another thing and I was say wo mu do ahen because I am them American wabo categories of actors bia or they will declare the president, the vice president, the speaker and the deputy speaker, minister of state or deputy ministers, chief justice of the Supreme Court, and ambassadors, what we want call and secretary to the cabinet, head of ministry of government, department, equivalent, okay, other officers or civil servants we Nigeria. Them confunia wabu nia wundin there or their way. See, coming back to our question, the way and our way is another thing altogether. You see, the idea the Nippon or Barbeton or by conflict of interest in your account, you what by managing Yama, by managing office or man the whole region or Mammy. Urban and dear him a Japan or war and or consul do one him and on your account. Then over here fight corruption here over there. As well by and when you see be one chen another baby and farm mechanic Japan one. No here ye papa or bishop constitution. But no is another thing altogether. Oma or check how many panels say oh yeah or the sruby is me baby make dan call. Me babe mu no ma account owo me we ni a miss call me bank account me near 5 cedis nti once a man da na di media ma empenyimfo se man hwe na man body margin ba me kofa bibi fi chi bia wan hwa na daache the problem body abam nti me bon ban na obana abandem na o ona the track ke wa for man di one di crowds a so bi ni hono nti oye bibia track ke or the sub scheme be at 3 but say onyana or declared asset I na dey biara on a dream dey biara on team e ade sabi to bibia me hwe na mankasa me means miska wo dey come from to ma me fam some abban scheme ma me yeni ma basa bia it's why na stro bi wono it is a law no one ya enforce law no ami fa ne pa na dwumi ma mo wan declare na mo hwe le track mankasa so have a problem it's dey bia me kind there say okay there obi ekosi dan de si bibi ore there wo si dan oye nsu waterway and one ma permit me one problem one wo ye hwe ha mo si dan one problem because young father to ekoso but our every ma permitting also one of them our ye hwe ha mani pa no kosi ya right from the foundation to the roof and the parquet aso ehwan it's some yaban na ma for bi wedwuma I should insist force the other department declare assets. There's a whole ministry doing that. That's 1 year. Entire one away, even though we fought the at fought, but I am painful na ye found coffee with you ma ye enforce one because the parents said about for the juma also pay juma. It's a kind of declare asset oh yeah on to get on here by na yashe. Nti am question baby na tell the baby ye ni e be kan there e pede ni pan sabi okofa den ene ne che
The one here that also now he made mention of enforcement will come there, but the person you be said director waka say he declare an asset our car account scored them 10,000 Ghana cedis. That shows the ABBAN nepede a project butum na sabi Miss Danny be to mark abade me wie adwuma wo san bisa ya no another work the mission I would to Musra Ecofi and Senegal.
Imban on that track, and he said, off would dream a bed declare na a reso. And I ban on Dawaka by Yaye by a Venya Juma. Inti war the famous of the Constitution one dream in and out in the air or the washer. Once a man declare. Ashasen mo koso definitely order way one no honum na wa ba yasema oyenda de ka pasem do order the no ba ada ne declare no wata waye mum but we na won hwe ni nipan da he no de be ka ne japade no no is another thing on put there ye modo kra chi de bia ye mo de bibia ba ona ayewe but yen sheda ya fa ya junu ko no den ka mi jidi den ka the part ofia benum na wa start yen da ofia benum pa there should be a processor inka always be a waka kakra obeko no sas and even po akoni po bibie su kwan de ye be start ya bono no ana onu po don ka ya ba bom kra ne kakra bi obeka ya oka ya bra bom a ye de ye de and po ye de boy yen sabda na ni de e bia is declare. But we no all qua they assess the worth out the account them 10,000 they body no on the want to din on kaya blabo yam fan kaya ya babo kra no so na fi there on here
Ghana mpo osazu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah o chine kakra ujan na mpanyimfo be ku da ma chichi kakra chama wala se o chine kakra ujana nka fa etu market into Ghana president I was working this gun to Ngejerinda. She said, "A man who will do." Never heard that to America. I'm by the president where we are in a term of office. It's a corner of roads in the Jumonzini into Uzenukutu. I went to Ghana and China Yendo. Yeah, that the main people in this free. Yeah, no. But ABBAN in Paris will to know ABBAN.
Oh, yeah, Dinimum. Oh, yeah, Din butter. If you there, that be do honor. On the Yama politics no take center stage in yen democracy. Inti say Ame Sebutafache me belongs to SYZ party. Na me koye bibia. Na wababaye amayukunu SYZ party. Inti yen hwe oman no ho don on kaya blabon kra. Oman no ne kanko on kaya blabon tinu say nipa no indeed offer them another one fight on your own yeshe na ye dia mayoku no say ye tan mayoku no and your system this one no ma nipa na nkasa na oba ba chi nipa ana nipa na obo nipa no kuyodo also gya ne party ni tumido inti dem ma dey the foundation na me by the rule of law me ye we no probity akanda be rule of law no ana ye yi dem rule of law no di fi system no inti se erechi nipa na edene fam bra kwando ono mbem inti yehwe yam party affiliation yam party ntema we have a problem as a country all the parties in here political parties in here yam Ghana first no ondi yen e kan yehwe yam political influence yam party ready yewe but yes ye trans na ka yahwem yi pa na yidem obudem critical point na me mfa me njina me party ni tumi do me fenka che ana say this what e krapo na ebia na mbrakwa na mo watching na so me nka da ebia no owo me party mu koten de mo nhwe adina oye no ne mom onam Ghana wontin on from feed the madden beboa ba ne nia no na ejina yem party amodendo na ye de chinepan na ya sanso ye jia yem party yakada nipa no mempen nti se behwa a demonstration against them nipa na yo even sometimes a friend one hour demonstration on answer that oni ma de no kwa ne hu ebia ona de okada yo chogbe no di echi o mi say bad nti no ma nipa we can hear there probating accountability odo bu nkonta na nipa so kwa na ebia wo so fa do de free nipa on say bia fa kwan papa do na mo na share political party there you me was me a campaign because all bandana awo me no ya adwen o ma awo me ba awo yenta awo hwe se me nyatuma nti me nyatum na ona da baba na me da acho
tum na you chu go arrest you na fi tum na akwa akada ana sisa Ghana yetum na yize himwa na won sampi the enforcement of the law ABDU minority and majority. This is how OMAR I see it. Because if I my majority, you have the power to enforce your arrest. Minority, no. Each day you will continue to. But if our constitution now, okay, or our mu church kuna wutu ya fada yetu ni ya enforce and Shrage for tomorrow, Hunejma, and then pay for political tomorrow. No to fear the Dibia so way. Dibia way in time, Dibia audience, or the baby I wish you saying that I do baby, I'm going to send them a taxi, and them coupe baby watching. Now, I don't want the driver to pay. Number said, if you want money, the driver will give you 5 cities, but I can give you more than that. Says, come go there to me. Some refuse to collect the money because abakade odo jiskara. So what is your reason? Oh no, me driver na me kasa. Those who know me wakache masa pocha. Those who don't know me na wakache no na je. Oje hozi yo hweme ni go hwema up and down ahwom so na ase. Na wakache masa wo yo hwe wonko. But ni na nature. A police officer watch him taxi driver because na my late will be moto mo ko oche. That's fine. It's not him, but it's me. So talk to me. I was still no watching or to Niki Mesa. You cannot do that. Into my Yankasa. What do you want? Now, me is coming to my nana muhu. Soon some of no shit. It's only be able to whatever one. You're right. Because rather than scholar, I'm more fast or more intensity. And I'm so many hundred citizens of them, Mr. Deji. Because the way I live here, it could be actually fantastic. Well, always I admit my force that the way to move because emergencies in the world to know about. Because I'm going to join convoy, nephew to me, I call it my elite. Now, I feel it's what I may enter. And most of them get a convoy in the world camp. It's also Mr. Demon Wacy until me pent up. Until me say there or me there baby you can even do town but there's a hill it descend in the speed room or the sun or down below what it is. Let if you want money take the money more come the pentam also outside the scenario and the man that's oh masa me and oh my yes president bila ocha bent bi ma and then no speed. No speed your call ABBAN call app number not the auto dination or chain. Asa we bed there be ma me girlfriend me obestram na am there obeyare kaka na we fit be the hospital. Also no no kwa na tede na ya boss ba o miss no there or then the boy here dem dey on PB kaka for no so mu tehwe no se dem don hwe ni pa no nti o ba akiti saban we wu nti afi ordinary ko boys on sana on so the girlfriend na oh samaba no ma sama ni reka later but anyway ma me kai da me faka wo kaneshi no kaswa nti you the kaneshi na fa first light so am say we dey so en ABBAN engineer no trim nti odi ni chira na obeche no wo eye fe kaneshi hono wo wo so engineer nti edu abuso kan honum kakran ena wawo di won koma na de obobo bi kakra o de hye nsim nti ekodu awdomi honum side honum no STC awdomi honum side honum dem de speed police na sanso abebiom nti my order ya attention not means kind of the man no a fake money
I said, no, I went some man fake money. The demand is what kind of him. I just bribe to be fake money. Can you come to come dinner? I go for some forever. I got for some. I want no car goes. Oh, they never report. I said, no, be not fake. Was kind of a G day then. If an action, fine. Where that's all. Which room? On under the boko. Now, sir, I'm a one more bribe, and a one with scar. Now, if you should not be a fake man now, then you take up. The part of the man now we're getting our own now. It's your car, the Mutuka. Until me the OMAR, then my king. Or the Asian. A man in General. Now aware of it. In here we had forts. Now, another day, because a introduction, a carry, you must finish the next 5 years, 10 years of it, because I will find out Babaco assassin, or more than a mammy, or big general pride. I will find out all co-host and as when admission to the investing, who the demand when you are here, we see into a Juma yet at the oil team. Team of Faban of 1 year, we see the Mazinia, every class one, you cry up on him, be offer corruption. Because my name, before I be some time ago, me say a brandy, a police in Egypt now is carried to a phone. I frankly say, you had never not to phone. And so, what she could have found me, and be assured that I know I jam while I brought into a could cannot cook not to phone. I frankly get also share, police is Bible not you to phone. It's a phone well, this kind of thing, or she reads him. What gentleman mean to usher, they also know by ye be, not so they are one for. This is the system in which we are.
System Myers, no, now if you baby, a baby. I'm sure you are ready to make a shot of baby, and son or baby. Was a beer or shall a boss, I say. A bread for the boss, him or her to sign a document. Manoso also bread detail to Madame Nuano. The way the boss and business are conaba, a burn up and down, or dorsal. The system of Uncano, yellow crack, near Vicky Juma. When can move for be a young friend to her. Passport about for free. Hey, Abua, you will suffer before you get up. But as far as the whole Ghana, most of us we will go to Accra. Never lie all passport office for Accra. When you easy, ABBAN Bay, ABBAN crazy somehow, Central and Western, Uncle Western, no sustain now. And see, baby, to me, you do know. Dema, you know, I tell to make you mean you want sister to yes, my passport. Last year, passport of work within a short time now arrangement in the bank we're supposed to move. I don't have it. So in the time was a mom, no, that's a terminal pounds. No, the passport. So I asked myself there, if we can do this as simple as that, why? I went to the interview. Let me know what you mean. I don't know. Sometimes I say the body process is so who am I for that also I don't know. I'll say can we be. No more say I have a fabulous you know. Because Musha, me tell you hostel the passport officer. If you man or interview one pass. Let me say, hey, interview. Would they 5 minutes to 10 minutes? Mr. Omar, yes, move. Let me say, yeah, you are seeing you. You could take me pictures, papa. Moko to immigration officer so tomorrow. No son come on, so it seems I know you. No matter where. I got you with a new phone. No, they do who maybe they want you there. Where baby whom? Into maybe a corruption or na. Yeah. Into maybe a beautiful follow-up and confirm. If you visit system ABBAN. Into question punish soon. They debut and what do you be body man? Inti aketesi bi abenti bi obi ofio krase ona je oni mo bia wa benimun ona wa fe inti bia na iskafon ona benimun I know you know me ona nkotin it's a hwedwuma obi bi na enim politician bia obeyed that is no don't call them maybe for all you know ni panankasa na orebado beto maye onam the only penny bia we not sinchen inti awo enim pe o kakashe ono Inti everyone there on my production pool to non cost because the partner because of favoritism why we it's very important. So other thing you to me in affirmative and trying to be ansana a 2 minute time I'm ready for 2 minute creating and your moment the man you know the was another bad that can name your coach near your chum aqua or show the near that and go to them allow them the scale more ibutia. Ibi also akwa ohwe din na ohwe na ho I quite remember more for K baby. More for K baby were the main regional hospital. Let me tell you, hey, I died to Moko Akohemo for hospital, Moko on the bed. Let me say, no, me, my maker said, what for in the hand over him. Also, there, oh, no cry, you know. Now, what's there? Wad and town, no, no matter what, the water. Maybe you're supposed to see the person of water and other. That to maintain cry, no make a shout, maybe to make a show, Michelle and no, no, so heifer. Dog or heifer. Sign lamp of a doctor now, your doctor Nessie, Miss Ness or heifer. Oh, we wouldn't have been some man bed with Zakushi. Miss Nebed and other one like a baby. Why do you pay with Zakushi? Into our health, or don't come much, Mr. Honaca in the we are not going to pay. We are not going to pay Pessoa. I know they think that was, I mean, whether I know or I don't know anybody. That's a street no more see you announce an office. The way a man learned to my blame now Huntman. But of course, see you an office, Mr. Wonderman, no sign. I did, Bob Mamma no from Majors War. I say, where you be with you, Sabadan, which also turned up to our sign, the maid of North on Farmer. But the house offered 3 times. See you and police occupancy. That's one in charge in the bed. Show me now, no should die today. Show me now, should die. No more what I could start in the years. But no one prefer who sing is about the other day. Should be saying, no, Franco. Why do you want somebody?
That's the thing.
If you are talking about money, we will pay. But you can say, infant free, because infant you from you, there's a free, you may have to have it. You can see in there, you have the case where the data. Until why are you waiting? Until every baby, the postures and the communication of, I am saying you may follow you to me, you know. Or they to me, sister. You go to many hospitals, nursing, architecture, or my card, no, I channel or the phone or that too. Now, maybe I'm in Yahoo. So, all these things, you know, none of me, maybe I'm just combination to
your problem as a country and as civil service, public service, and in fact professionalism in fact
yeah.
For them okay, meaning there say ubi hospital, na say bufima or free busiafo.
Very well.
Na oma dawesi and sound na kwakoshim much. I had that over honor. Nti dem reckon ebi a o show with ma the signature no show with ma short tin show with na bia no sign there o ya be dem for am sharp. Nti o ye de ma de yeke ya protocol o ye o ma dia protocol o ye ABBAN kofidia no protocol ni da me shake tesi bi o chapo na yakasa so da me ye dwuma bi wo dem institution ni na boss na firm there say my culture politician bia one shot wa send the messages at there wa call all the stages at there baby or can corner there or that were fun I say or call boss no honum even though your boss no all fun wa fan wa kra I say share and culture politician bi we so sin one send message or messaging for forget messaging na no real no we said the politician bi am say me dey obi na mama wa o ma ban po so see dem here can no kwa if visiting na oye protocol ono na me feel there or we by I should you the baby over hwadwen because the right person I don't want to say I'm fine to be ordered to avoid the
sure to
the right person or then ko nyejuman I'm fine man na de ko bia into no ma yen peni for something ne me see me into me kan because kwan e fa the friend pan nyani the pan ade ayen it's true there be kanini it's true there better on someone be man query bi because a man query ane kanini ma nkita hundi a bi ane won no obeka che na yakofo obeka che busuafo wa shore beto aba nti ade me yedi na pro no nkodo no nko nti bi hu ade djuma no egu ase djuma bebre a wegu na dini afide mi ya we don't employ the right people na yakofa nkofa nti o man ye bi boni po ba ye nka nti aba djuma no rugu no say you be hwie na ye bo aban so you be hwie na ye bo aban so na nkasa no ye contribute in a very nice way bi we kwa ko hwie bon nti bi there or I do the issue ye
Ora etu hwere ma tebe ma hemudo na dwumedin kan na etu na atuado aba nti ma magi ntwa na mo abutum na oda asomdwe etu no baba zabaye magana etu ma fone temple friend o wa me na wo ya henodo amema ya ma fome zo so ba ya fomezi mama entwen na akono wo chene hina afrend na sisi ara otu mo nim ya na wo da etu yin ze etu mezema no sana yakopon obo ba asase yin na wa abo hempe na ye etu ya ba jojo kan ba asase ni de bi aya kan aya woman na isa Adam na Eve na wozin ka otu bai but bibi su din kan bayan sana aya da mun payfo otu no ba na wo kara kata se fita Adam na abirda na chere Eve no che ba ba ma Adam su di ti se bebude dem pepesi ti da benda na ti se obutu no oboko na so ni na na chere sa ameme ya ma afomezi as a leader or as a community member wo se wa afomezi as bebi etu me wo biara anes for wo hospital wo ho na afomezi obutu no oboboa na etu ma akoyim na me ntwani mpo no so wa asana wa ko metu da de me mpa minyim no nti se man hwere ya asama ba we should all ask de bia na me asam de and na DBC hospital one also me kapia yeresa e poya do DBC aban no so so me yeresa it's true there the men them obuto ndeme pi no oba minor sai na ya mpere ho yentumi ya mbas ya mbisa oye hospital ho netina yese edwuma ekafa because ma ko interview da from all uniba more enlistment to become a police officer the gentleman interview fiti ahmachi 4:30 am maybe 10 p.m. midin mpamba so all these things are in the system now ndempo ya catchen there in the metum na akofo mpo still now people are suffering the man say the care na oya me ya papa ni hina lecture no me brother onye bi oya police officer na that's why baby so I ask myself what is happening why baby a special guider a personal guider to oya the former minister Alhaji Korin Dauda the bodyguard Al Hassan he's my brother and Ayago was the time we the time I call listening from 4 to 10 p.m. he's in Pamba but I know me and home so I'm tired of all this like Shannon the mandamana till moon and home can and still now that's how you sure there yako hinemi in Zamabe yako basa yeah this is a
yes in never be every civic educated be abe catch or there say etu na etutu ye na me ya obey on kechi say the American amemi ye mafemide also ye wafemide na obia ye ne de kakan na and definitely we'll get there them all the actors and say yenia ye na obi ye meme ya ono na wanhwa na oba hawadwen but say near is where they why much they were how dream or how yen intino yen yen find that in gufum na yen prenko kana and I believe we're going to work that especially there in Bibun ye be short date in picking phone ye be hold one accountable yen ka there we paying yen ja no ye then we be kan yen ho abom na ehun there name and shame and I be bro whistle no there they pay sumesi ojani tumido or ye bibi onye the person me see or ye bibi okuti o man no ye hwen tracks track ka if you don't but see every time we be on the bibi record o man no bibi record o yen sondo bibi record o ye dwum let's raise the red flag let's blow the whistle ye ma won accountable na because o man ye o man chicho down no pakofo na beum ye ni an ye yade no ye ni an ye tua tax ye ni an ye peden command no bokonim no man be pun ebutumpon because anye no kodwa obi fi de bi on fa ho obibi unu ebi oreban wa beto the mess won say na wa afi de wa jinse mkra nti man ka de bi on fa mo ho anade me de nka ho bi dem no ma ye ni on ye ne hi asema fi de ye tu ana mo be yi na ye no omi ombo ye ni a
ewa de director si de bia is no ho you know say there why you na tell me be friend bia ojodo na fi otumoba and opportunity he will find a way of communicating with you and we have many leadership all what we have is we have a leader but we don't have a leader with a good leadership skill there's a position what you want to na pinyo keke the man so no EP oya hunipain the regional director no so oya Dr. Noti ye bedo na so papa se no so aye pay na te bi a be fe no bia odo tomoto na man efi otom na oba na ye obotwetwe nkomo nti jamaa so na oye narcotic control commission woni mpanyefo central region and so ebobo hona abado da temi bia so itumi tinsafra wona wotom oba ne mpanyefo pi se na nke anyim bia kitesios abezo so amenyi hona na chafa phone na refre panyin wo ye adwuma na wakache ojere bibia ye na efi wotom no waba the same thing na CCTU Cape Coast Second University the VC no so prof educhum enyim buachi no se bedonas because tem bia no so tinsafra na obabaka sana professors pia wo CCTU enamro kwa na prof we dia woncha eche bedo na nsa yema ya na anarumpo omtomo wa retiro otumo wo yenkwanhye people will see the ofa oye zibio ntomfa ho no we come to the community connect oye metro director NCCE na atwonkomo that tell nkolo anya e ka ho magician no mente yen ka ho na impact and we love to thank you very much the temi bia otum na also him that how you be see but that's what's more the
okay me father mu kwan do tell my culture the not me as a person but the institution no a family nti nda wona se bibi bibia kwenja wo de man say ye ba into iska oye eje be 1 minute bank minute scam fair nti wo ye one corporate responsibility wo ye you honorable o ma mi fa dem kwana minda oye UCC minda wan papa ye
okay
honestly speaking ka NCCE ye den ka at least if you bia be na constitution a copy of the constitution na se ma mini po ana papa ni mi kan na ne ba ho no when you access to the constitution I will see the here and believe me man a number of constitution what to be what man na ejunu pan yentase nti me fa dem kwan do na madase or dey bia or the emergencies won jingo no mo but there be come schools there be akwa institutions na a co started the first organization the constitution na ya dey nti benusa obeti yanka nti da UCC as a part the wire them a what the amayen that is young constitution ma schools and other institutions.
Right, University of Cape Coast for the VC himself and other leadership no on behalf of our metro director Open Joseph ABBAN or Payifo I will agree Missima what's the corporation on papa where when our father was in guitar you be our simple na abana bu mo yo bubu ibu wo pona bu ma wa ko hesi funu we hula OMAR atwia na ya da mo be kura na abada ka okura nti asi oye ho papa de shepon kase pa wotum na wa ya da madon yen nti yan shere so sire eko oye bible no nsama odoso na kwara ya fatum ye kura bible no oye hu ibu mo bokwa na bible ro da mpa biase no do aye hu ntuma onke the same thing constitution na ye ba chere no memfa ne fa nka so wura because anything can power they too many than you have but it's very important for you to read it o hiaba papa so na ye hwe embrese begofo na ye embrenyim fa woko akaye discussions wo ye bibia gba na okuta o ye constitution o ka ho boko da akọ studio na wo quote na efi wo to mo checheche nsem ye na ye hwe yin phone dun aba stride aba hwe bi read na bia flash o film was wo hu da wo TV na so kite book na nti bia na flash o book na nti aye muslim fo with the Quran odotoa hile odi bibia atotum odotoro oya muslim biara oya papa biara oya nsise the Quran da ha ofo bibiara ntoro se na wora itumizi Quran ni nti aba mifia the Quran bibiara ndado odaho nankuti ama iya na chere oya ajwakwa atwere it the same thing because ni nya ye wo makonkron ye hwekona betu ya afode ya akwa hene bible ibi o ofie bi bo na bo o bible ofie a dema ma mo be bo dempo bible hu be moda bible be constitution say chele hu be moda nti ya mama zine afie ntu ya hye so pa na ontum no mbwa 1988 ne musa but meje yimu tukon na country you tukon no Cote d'Ivoire ne krasi aye kotumi sa na wokun wo be fa hene dan ho because the relationship my papa on your here no one yentene kase so but ye da me dan demand am tena temo da me yankopana ase papa If you have to be sad, amazing can but then as papa. Now you encounter present. Our friend Delphine, about you. Now I don't come on carry a tumina abba. Yenda you
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Baby, you don't say, baby, you don't say, it's a red eye thing. Red eye,
I love this kiss a bit.
bros, if you no love, I what you get. It's Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. Oluwa magbagbe me, I want all this money. Don't want to take the same step where I take last year when it don't work for me. Oh Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. Man on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me. Oh. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't buy the best, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't get control, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. Lord, you know what to me. manifesto, Baba. Aye. The street now by grace of who are super say carry festo. Now your grace I take the leave and if you play attack and defense at the same time. And I thank you Lord say even when I the class you still give me the talent to give make I pass it. From the ring now family they call if not be billing na something they solve. And here you be and my money is involved. Oh you are blessed because I don't feel all. So much pressure on them figure. I say in dollar I still want that 10 figure. I need the kind of money we go make down go to say who be this black schema. If we don't money and you wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't buy the best, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't get control, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. This year I want to buy motor. This year I want to buy house. This year I dey pray make Oluwa no pass me by, cause I pray for grace, my G. It's not written that you will find or you seek, but you never find out who she did not seek. How much this is deeper than life. It's not for the shallow mind that we still they grind it. From the ring na family they call. If not be billing na something they solve. And here you be and my money is involved. Oh you are blessed because I know it all. So much pressure on the may figure. I say in dollar I still want that 10 figure. I need the kind of money we go back down go to say who be this black schema. Where they worry you are mad back baby. I want all this money. Don't want take the same step where I take last year. We don't work for me. Lord, as I decline that the hustle bless me with this money. But on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't buy the best, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't get control, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we get.
Cupid, let's go.
Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen, my dolly? Oh, yeah. Since I feel I know the love again. Yeah. Give me loving to the way she telling me love it. Oh, yeah. She no go follow to the end. She no go follow to the end. Say she say love with another man. Yeah. Later today they will be going for lunch. Ah. No more, no Mr. Lover man. Yeah. Say she know they feel my go-go. She's calling the bunch. She's calling the bunch. Yeah. As I dey sleep I be counting my ceiling. Oh my God, what I'm feeling. 21st century. So she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah. It's over. My baby say over. It's over. It's over. She dey tell me say over. 21st century. So she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah. It's over. She dey tell me say over. It's over. It's over. My baby say over. Me say me pretty, 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 pretty girl, why you do me so? Although me sweetie darling, I have fallen, can't you see? I know they feel they go. I never tell you no lie. Baby girl, why you do me so? Never you say bye-bye. To the end of time, I saw that thing they go. Me see me pretty, 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 pretty girl, why you do me so? Why you do me so? Although me sweetie darling, I am falling, can't you see? I know they feel they go. As I dey sleep, I be counting my ceiling. Oh my God, what I'm feeling. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over. My baby say over. It's over. It's over. She dey tell me say over. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over. She dey tell me say over. It's over. It's over. My baby say over. Oh, she dey tell me say over. Even if I report, I'm to Jehovah. He say she go drive a Benz, no Corolla. Make I know the test, make I know the cola. Me, I dey wish you the best, yeah. Don't remember me. I know the lie. No be your fault, yeah. Just because say your bumper be. You do the wine. As I dey sleep, I be counting my ceiling. Oh my God, what I'm feeling. 21st century.
Good morning, Achiraba.
Good morning, Mr. Omar.
Apollo.
I'm an Adam now, sir.
I'm an Adam. How about Casa Sonimika? I think. And thank you, and find a put cheddar.
Thing.
No, I was out of it.
One got your fair lady name. One got your fair. We are greeting all of you this morning.
I can't there comment on the pair again.
Me.
Never saw quite be able to
sign language account.
And sign the
Sanya, yeah, viewers no mountain cry. No man who say I'm talking about food.
It is a pebina some sort of
Miss Mobu. Miss Mobu, Miss Mobu.
The bishop of power, no sir, a bacan.
Me who Miss Mobu.
Necklace, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, I have a view about trying to but I try Baba. Until your Baba share and then cat and person, that he's able to our canon. Yeah, but Madame Yatun, I am Nazamba, nephew to me. Yes, I say, yes, I see, well, oh, yeah, the Daily Graphic. Young man paying Abamazan apart, made the term oil 5 years. President Mahama unveils 5 years drugs production plant. Akwana pa Ghana for year Amazon if answer ye tuna ya hinundu ma atuna abwa na akwayin papa. Corruption no some seminar so or kata na corruption ya za otumra ohaw Ghana hinumpu ntu he kanko na so debenda na ebutum na ye na akwa anka say ye oral cases asisa otum no abano no ototo sa brande Amazon no yen ha na na mobutu ahobutu atwo na so no so Amazon na fi etum na akwayen Dolphina.
Okay, so mama memfa a graphic business and so 6 insurance titan grip on market enterprise SIC Star and 3 other accounts for 61.4% as revenue hit strongest growth in areas. Okay, my main kind BB Kakra. 6 of Ghana's biggest non-life insurers have tightened their grip on their markets, occurring for 6.14% of the industry's revenue. Okay, when so Inchemune say, there insurance companies, 6 major insurance companies, they are doing like very well, they are doing so well. Out of the 100% revenue now, insurance companies generate to Ghana, 6 almost generate about 61.4%. Okay, and my say meeting me abobody na. Okay, SIC Insurance, Star Assurance, Glyco, Holland Insurance, and Ghana Union Assurance. Okay, inti wene the top 6 insurance companies all Ghana omujumedie, and then they are also contributing massively to the development of Ghana in terms of revenue. Okay, businesses' confidence in economy remains high. AGI Q2 Business Barometer Index. Na research be akoso na research no abeto just say there for this year a lot of businesses in Ghana are thriving. Yes, which is a good thing. I believe say when businesses have the space to thrive, when businesses are growing, it creates room for employment in these businesses. So they also invest into the economy, and then they expand their businesses to be able to make the delivery of services and all that available to all of us. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Okay, Graphic Stanbic Bank reports calls for solutions on transport cyber fraud. Okay, say some conference being so so with businesses in mind. Now I better just say a lot of businesses in Ghana face issues with transportation and cyber security. For transportation, there's a lot of money used in transporting raw materials for these businesses. Say shed and bomb omoto omonsa afre ABBAN say ABBAN and sheno onye bibi ewo ho. And also on the issue of cyber fraud, and saying a lot of people are posing as businesses online. Best no link kunya tape ya na they have access to very relevant details of yours. Black Queens Neglect is a mixed economic gold mine. Mekai, just recently, Mini Susan, idea we were advocating, say, you know, the hype that is often given to the men's football, Ghana Black Stars, no, why is the same thing not being done when it comes to the female football, that is Black Queens? Yes, Ms. Omar, what do you think the issue is?
I don't know. Me kete fi bere. Me sa football because kanu so. Nta won kasa ho. Nti but the American ye ma hu equal opportunity. Wo hu na ahon so okwa ka bibi ye hwa aya me sa fo bibi wo dream pa. Me info World Cup okwa wo that shows that we have a lot of things, and always it mean when there's a gap. Ladies also, yes, ladies also World Cup and also for a tournament to be one performance no papa, but to give them more attention on you watch so BBAG to no sorry can say oh the car reba na tell me to my body, but order you to na AJ at minute bia you aba or to me if say to mobile. Say among your opportunity, I think things over. The
last time we told you say more payments name and mom matches near the idea music and farm which shouldn't be so. Ejumedie biara obi di no idea if you are paying them for whatever they are doing, you know, there's a lot of enthusiasm. Yes, so I believe women's football has, you know, significant economic potential, but Ghana has not invested enough attention and resources into the Black Stars. Into say ABBAN ebeshe na waye bibi ede amai. Yes, Ms. Omar, me for graphic sports into aso anase.
Well, but sister, no I say to me, it starts from the FIFA.
Yes.
The FIFA, the world leadership automotive born to do. All that was on attention or match because even me in front of the way FIFA autumn or sponsorship or their participation when and it's going to do so. All the way to now almost the same opportunity also to know. Yes. There are some trouble about him.
Exactly.
You call graphic sports in Ghana or coach. I don't call Akinson no. Sister also asked no contract. My sister listening you are Tompe being there the Ghana fast because all the baby all I want to know on sack and they do baby natural Ghana every change your captain po I can continue from players. Now so issue your coach and this is the current coach sir autumn now boy me who there new players so change when game in the two Mr. This is which other what to na stand no contract. Arsenal silence Man City to win Community Shield. I want to my own fact. If you want to go a quarter crack China, the main semi nipping your account or your code.
Okay, my main fire the Ghanaian Times and so cutting waste key to economic recovery. President Mahama. Nancy, idea, waste management has become the topic of interest in Ghana as part of President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, his reset tour agenda. Cutting down waste it's a very important thing. Namijidi say, ABBAN so in Nema how do I even put it? ABBAN so de Nema to akwem senia waste and same ye clean up the quantity of waste baller in our environments no na there any it all begins with self-discipline. If you take it upon yourself, say you are going to cultivate the habit of self-discipline. Yes, it starts from there. You be creative waste no in your environment, in your home no. Expect to say buying a free baby or no cleaning up your environment for it begins with us. Yes, it is if all of us are going to make it a conscious effort to ensure that we are disposing of our waste in the proper way. I believe the flooding issues are in the past months. No, it's not going to be so moving forward. Okay. Ministry of Gender, Child and Social Protection targets zero child marriage by 2030, advocates support for teenage mothers to return to school. Okay, into Minister of Gender, Child and Children, Social Protection, abetu just say, idea or more bomb homo senior, a child marriage in Kolaya de or more Emma Awariano, so ebe cha ewa Ghana ha. Yes, idea you know, children should be given the equal advantage as others. I will say, Omoko school, you know, they have bright futures. We shouldn't subject them to early marriage and all of that. Idea here. Yes, Mr. Omar, there's often conversations around child marriages when it comes to the two religions, Christianity and then Islam.
The Muslims. In terms of child marriage.
Yes.
Many na necessary na nejumezo tumozi. Na the child marriage or tasi or our northness, the northern region area. I want to know first in years back. Now ABBAN there say itumi hunde maybe a cry na bia ya or dey itumi na eko. Ho asetre mo de bia na tenu mu yesi. Nti awe at abra wa cry. Nti say our no kuna our kusaka our business now our doubles intermediate me Joyce now what am work kusaka and it's the workload ibiali you need more we are not waiting for or beginning the or the scalaba and there is obia and then how tomorrow you into basisi and we preach am we hu then or whether we to be out school yes nti say share I here former I think deputy information minister I Fatima, I forgot the name, Fatima Abubakar, MPP time, because I have an opportunity to engage her on phone for several hours. I met her an interview. She said not now. Shamima Muslim, and also the current chief of staff, our company for Mampayina, sorry, she's also Muslim. In the P, okay, that's in the olden days, but still now. Or kada them or Honkatangati. Into the time there, or there more no autumn no obo school. Now obo school and maybe I was a commander into obo school no obo bushiazi when you jumaka sewutumuya private businesses and they should go back to their region if you want to know when you're home. I'm a first one I pass by no obuhu Delphina ICC and Horuko Delphina will be in the car watum. I quite remember years back and also your central region as actually, Musa. Na ability to never fool. Na befriend waka for your boyfriend or your car wash. Yeah, I want to ask a document door.
SHS.
But school make a sepa. Na ma na sound. Since the man be bushi. Go a befriend do. Na asap on the chop. Ombo ma join your boy in jail. Na to be up your farmer. To cut the long story short, no. More say and there. School no year speed our friend no jai boy or speed day or can ye juma or turn a car to our any my member into over speed day in my mess on kitchen or cottage no kitchen or a car wash no now also your man to moon into your baby horse that you was not pet a guy no bad the guy in I know the guy in the band there no one was a fool 2 million no for 2 Mrs. Somewhere into some really knew no so oh boy you know he said the hunter said what's the hunt at a pipe so I'm a girl you see. Let them tell me your child or 200 and 40. We have a long way to go in terms of school no doors mohona. It's just about to
Okay. And then not only is the agency targeting a child marriage, also a advocate say a teenage mothers idea say obabi students echo name imperanism okofaba idea they should be given the opportunity to continue with their school you know most of the times say a banesana or one person because they are going to criticize them, laugh at them, and then all of that. No, we should create, you know, environments, conducive environments for each and every person to be able to learn. Okay, poor oral health linked to diabetes and hypertension. Dr. Imanoba Abuka. And also Edia Suja say idea oral health. Obi wa sebi enumka it's not good. What is coming from there is not good. Now, Doctor Ichemwa or Chemu say, why ain't Shimuna in Shimuniche say, diabetes and hypertension, no, it's linked to, oral health. Idea was this underlying conditions. It may affect oral health in Yema and Shada and Koyi women. Say from time to time, you get a lot of checkups to know what is wrong with our senior. It doesn't create other problems for us. Okay. And see when is a Misra the Ghanaian Times newspaper.
This is to boost how to do more certain things. And see, it has a doctor say. The voice has tough questions to answer over Goldberg $1 million operational losses. It's a Damina what purpose MP to me. Ashanti region will not fail MPP in 2028. In so other said another what to be regional election in Autumnal Kodo Autumnal Okain. Baumia calls for more opportunities for Ghanaian youth. Oya Franka Oya MPP, the big opposition party, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, on the Mensami Etuma to Gakata na Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, now also Autumnal Bar. Ahuna wotumna wezi oyenku yimunu abohona about Delphina.
Okay. Yet also the Namamemfa the Chronicle and so Ochayman accuses Ochayman's DCE of Durban in chieftaincy matters. Okay, in when so name sensembia koso ewo Ochayman emu se ubomodena Osaka papers na ubenya information on that. Okay, NPP regional elections, Koka, Okoboy, emerge winners. Okay, in the NPP regional elections, so now there's been a couple of changes with regards to the leaders. The very interesting one for me, it's the Ashanti region one. Yes, so me say chairman to me. Osoma nkrofo say omonkofa picking up form man with the hope of being freed from prison to be able to contest in it. What's your take on it?
I don't think Sister Chairman won't know if you are a region. He is not contesting for the regional executives. He is contesting for the national executives. Into say okay damaza nano krata na okwa for your krata or national chairman, not region. Region he is out because or kada unknown region beam to our national. International cartel or
Okay. Taka Gold Mine lease. Goldfields meet key renewal terms. Chamber of Mines. Okay, into Wilson and Sambia Ewo the Chronicle. Memphis the Observer and Twaso. Coca takes Ashanti. Abronya retains Bono, Okoboy wins Accra. Okay. Senior regional elections no Ekoye no Sa Pepe. Baumia congratulates new NPP regional executives urges unity ahead of 2028. Okay. His Excellency Anna
No, that's all. He's a former
Dr. Baumia, yes, the current flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Waka in Sembi the New Patriotic Party. The people say we're making sure say with the ongoing elections they are going to let unity prevail. Yes, for the 2028 elections, which is ahead of us. Okay. Equiapem Silicon Village launched to power innovation. Dr. Gideon Boakon donates 20,000 other items to Tano North Pragya Association. Okay, into Dr. Gideon Boako also I get we're embarking on this philanthropic arts Nyama was sending we're donating a year the amount of 20,000 any other items to a Tano North Pragya Association Okay, stay out of day-to-day management. Akando warns bots. Okay, into when so name sembia was the observer. Okay. Memfa the daily gist and so. Okay, this is going to be our final paper. And then your conversation with a director. No, it was very, intensive, very important. In Mamify, the daily gist and so. Upon Kruma's use CJ over selective justice during legal vacation. Okay, upon Kruma, idea was the Chief Justice over selective justice. A legal vacation year. Courts, superior courts, Chief Justice Eba Ausbecker say, withstanding the legal vacation which was in process, there was the need to try certain cases, and then the minority believes that Eba the Chief Justice is, doing a selective justice which isn't the right thing to do with regards to his position and then the democracy of Ghana. Gold not Eurobonds is sustaining the CDNPA boss. Okay, so when so nonsense mbia war a year the daily gist matters arising today ebe bremo. Okay, NPP regional executive election, Abronya retains, Bono Koka sweeps Ashanti. Baumia congratulates elected officers. Okay. NDC scamming Ghanaian youth with fake jobs. Mr. Omar, do you believe it's true? I say NDC scamming Ghanaians youth with fake jobs. Okay. I'm if I hear the final story in Chatsuo. Samia Wuku denies Iyoko arrest. Okay. Ebesu just say idea Iyoko Omache Samia Wuku no about house Abedi Banke. Those women say enyadia nukre Iyoko enche na otinifie a odini juma senya odine dada. Okay. Enti Mr. Omar.
Yes, madam. Yo, I had a look at an impressive IDBC, but I Achaba Barfina Asi, Papa, there were two now, Waba Bankat and a casino to me that show. 100 million with answer and Hinamodunum. Cosa TV entertainment quiz are more than nothing more for to blow the pet, Robert Mazle for to Mosia Cassan Fayno do another Casano Mono do Casa, a 2 minute Buana, Tisse, a 2 minute for oriented team, radio do another TV do. Into Cosa TV, the Hitama bo oye Domopi Hotamano de Bobo Mazine Fi at the Doma of British Odope, the Utumutraman number. A conaba for that to my bob boy, Casabonano, or news gathering. A conaba for the Butumina, Abo Oye Dewuno, news reporting. A conaba for that at Tumina, Akan Savono Atino Sisio, radio and TV presentation. A conaba for that at Tumina, Ekita Oya. If you are what to do, or you or camera handle. A corner for that is nay or your Pioca, ever wasn't if you to me saying you made my yea, or your video and audio auditing. Able to me watch show news writing. A corner for that to not show or your Casabonum to my cream or Mountain. In Zinampo, into say, about for the to know what is the ones and not to me. I could never for that to as in Gitaho, Abra, and you be Chunkomo, or your interview. I could never for that say, Abra, in 32 minutes as I when some trade manuno, or your digital journalism. I could never for that to Atsi, Jumezi, Nasi, media ethics. I could never for that as in Bra, or some trade to media law. Me now, but to know what you may be able to a repair. And the crowd said to my Babban, and nothing more would pay the way to know for the entertainment. I had the penance and number, young practical aspect to say, you want to so no so a quando, but to know about your agrofie or your Cosa TV office. Now, but for a crata, and now so it to me a friend or your 0246 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 ebetumi na afre na enwa twonkomo na ba for kata me bibia so etum ne awie paye hebe da ankwanko biara na pe wotum oboa ase papa ogake MCR bedo obo one top an bedo je bedo na MCR na campus nya onye achaba oya choice ne password also send na kisa ne eje wetum wenya bedo na si bedo so tum na oboy ma oya eje campus bibia twonkodo yeko oya from the square I was out tomorrow. No, say better when I say papa. We didn't just so. Gladys, yes, I think we have Gladys here. Yes. Now, okay, I'm sorry that Minto Moba we are with him. You may show papa that was so to my title. Pinty, Penny Joseph ABBAN. About can say no so corporation papa. What's it? I joke it to some joke it some in send there hour tomorrow. It's Mrs. OMAR bin ABDULLAH. Me much about. Mami, Delphina Ampuma, and our bodies. Told them, Yara, every full reservation. My money, tell me, share me this one.
If I fail, then go laugh me.